Hello, good morning.
Yes, hi, this is Anna.
I'm Jessia.
Yes.
Yes. So this live stream is about several components for produce the tubular heater. And before we go to these details, I would like to introduce you about our business group again. So if you have saw the live stream, the representation yesterday, we have talked about our business group. So we are focused in the heating element for many years. So we have very rich experience, and so we are a very professional and reliable partner you can count on. And the next one is you might confuse why we also offer the components, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, our routine production, our capacity can meet with our demand, and besides this, we also have the rest of them. So why not sell to others, right? Besides, we are very professional. We know how to define a good raw material, how to define a good resistor wire, what is the range you should notice about, right? So we have this business. We offer the components. In this live stream, we will start with five.
Yes.
Yes.
5 categories.
Yes.
For the fittings for heating elements. We will introduce you how a heating element form and which part you will use in the heating elements. First, we will introduce you about the flange, yes, and also about the terminal pin, and also the plug, and also the resistant wire inside. And MGO we will introduce tomorrow, yes. So you can keep following us, and we will introduce you more. And also we will introduce the hollow tube for the heating elements. So let's take a detailed look of our samples, and we will show you more details.
Yes. And we will start with the flange. So I just hold a flange, and here you can see we present two models. So about the flange, we have started production for 15 years, and we also very experienced. And besides, we have very skillful workers. All of them have worked for us many years. So for the flange, if you produce the like some water heater, you will need this flange to welding at the end of heaters. So maybe inside you need to put some tube on it, right? So and here we have two process. The first one you can see is stainless steel. Yes, this one, the stainless steel. And the next one is the brass copper. So it's just some sample we made for some clients. So we can produce more than these samples. Just you need to give us the drawing so we can customize for you. And for the material, the copper, the brass, and the more detailed we have HPB 15.9, we have HPB 15.6. So this is the further details, and we will give you the detailed introduction in the coming days. So here I just give you a very brief information. And for the stainless steel, we use the length. So you can see it's very precise. I can see, you can see the sharp edge and the very precise thread. So it can fit very well inside with your heater. So talking about the process difference, you may wonder why there have two different process. So some people like for the customer from Turkey, they might use the legs. Of course, the cost will be higher. So if you want to cost down, and actually you can use the copper brass. So the price will be cheaper. And currently, we have sell to many markets, mainly for the manufacturer, such for Asia, we have Turkey and Indian, and Korean and Japan, also Malaysia, Indonesia. We also have the EU market, like for the Russia, we have also the Ukraine, Italy and England. So if you are from this market, welcome to contact us, and I'm sure we can give you a very competitive price. This is a very brief information about the frame. The next, Anna will give you information about 3 parts.
Yes. Now, first, I will introduce you about our terminal pin. Yes, you can see here. This is our samples. The cold pin is connecting with the power cord and left it in the heating tube as a non-heating part. Yes, you can see here. They are assembled at the 2 ends of tubular heating elements, and inside they will connect with the heating wire. Yes. Normally, we will name it the top cold pin and the bottom cold pin. Yes, you can see here. And also, we have 2 processing way of our cold pin about the ladder and grinding process. Yes, you can see on the screen. Some are smooth and some are very not beautiful. Many Chinese customers will prefer grinding process because such cold pin will be more cheaper. Yes, like this one. You can see here. The appearance is not so smooth, and this is the grinding process. And this one you can see the appearance is very beautiful and no rush, no crack. Yes, so smooth. And this one is the lathering process. Also, many Turkey customers will inquire a lathering process cold pin, and some customers will inquire about the annealing process of our cold pin, and this we can also make customized. If you need annealing, you can also tell us. And some customers will inquire if we can make the chamfer. Yes, you can see here. This is the chamfer for the cold pin, and we can make like this. You can just tell us your requirements. And also, we will make a double rolling nickel plated after chamfer to prevent from rusting. Yes. So you can see that our cold pin samples here is very beautiful and also very shiny, will not get rust. Yes. Normally, our nickel coating thickness on the cold pin is from 1 to 4 micron. Yes, for the nickel coating to prevent from the corrosion. Normally, we suggest not to over 4 micron, otherwise the welding with pin might loosen. Yes, you also can see from our samples. This one is with thread. You can see the thread. And this one is without the thread. No thread, and just a simple coping. And this one is with screw and with the thread. Yes, you can see the difference. Okay, and for the thread, we have normally we have M3 and M4. This is the common thread using, and if you have other type of screw, you can also tell us. Yes, and also I have shown you that some of the terminal with the resistance wire, how them to connect. Yes, this one is just screw in because it has the thread, so it can screw in. And this one is just the pin and without the thread. It can just welding with the wire. You can see spot welding. It has a spot here, and you can see clearly on the appearance. And also before shipment, and we will do the coating test, and we can check the thickness of the nickel coating, and we will do the bending test to see if it will peel or when bending under different angle. Yes, and normally we also make the salt spray test, and it will test for 48 hours. And the next part I want to tell you is our main market. Normally our market is Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Thailand, Poland, Ukraine, Russia, and so on. Yes, so just tell us your need, and we can show you many kinds of our products. And our capacity is 1 million sets per year. Yes, that will make sure your order can be delivery very fast. And you will want to know what will influence the price. How can get price from us? First, you can send your technical drawing or the designs to us, and also you can tell us your needed material and also the diameter, the length, and also the quantity is important. Yes, and if you have interest in these products, you can also contact with our assistant, and they will reply you more details. And the next, I will introduce you about the heating wires. Yes, normally our heating resistant wire is divided into two kinds. It's nickel chrome resistant wire and iron chrome aluminum resistant wire. Yes, this one is resistant wire. About the resistant wire, it generates the heat inside tubular heating, which converts electrical energy into heat energy. Yes, you can also see here we have some stamp on it. Normally, the nickel chrome resistant wire, we can divide it into like CR20, Ni80, and CR30 and Ni70, and so on. Also, we have round. This is the round style. You can see here. And also we have ribbon wire. Yes, this is the ribbon wire, not round. And also we can provide strip wire. Yes, just tell us your need. And also our iron chrome aluminum resistant wire can be divided into. Normally our customer will ask for it. The material is for OCR25AL5. Yes, you can see here. This is the common material our customers ask. Yes. Also, you can see the diameter and also the ohm and the weight and also the net weight. Yes. Also, we have RoHS and REACH certificate. Yes. So for this type, you can just tell us your like diameter and also your material and your needed quantity. Yes, you can get price from us. And the diameter range of resistant wire we can do is 0.1 millimeter to 1.1 millimeter. Yes, if you have a special diameter requirements, you can also tell us, and we will check if we can make customized for you. Yes. And our advantage is about the tolerance of meter resistance we can make is plus and minus 3%, but the international standard is plus and minus 5%. That means we can make good control of our meter resistance that will make our resistant wire more in good quality. Yes, and our price is very good. So don't hesitate to send your inquiry and all the information you interested, and we will give you our best price. And looking forward to your order. Okay, you can see here, all this part is for the plug. And now my colleague Jessia will introduce you more about the plug.
Thank you, Anna. The plug actually is a very small item, right? The value is not high. So if you want to buy from China, if you buy it very separately, right? So it's not very cost effective. But if you buy these components, like the resistant wire from us or together with the frame, then we can also ship this together with you. So it will be more cost effective. So if you have this requirement, you can consider to buy from us. At the same time, we will handle very well the delivery, the package, and the sea ship is no problem. It will arrive at you very safe and very good. So about this sealing plug, so as you can see here, we have several materials. Normally we have the rubber, we also have the porcelain and silicone. So it's just for the sealing purpose. So the size is very important. And normally we will do as your design, but if you don't have design, you can tell us what heater you plan to seal, the diameter, the thickness, and tell us the weight you want. The material, then my engineer can also offer you the proposal. So let me show you more details. So this one is the porcelain. It's very common for the oven heater or some barbecue heater. So this one, the blue style, this one actually is very common in Turkey market. So this is the sample we OEM for others. This one is the rubber, the red one. So the price is not very high, the value is small, but we can support, and so you don't need to bother to spend so many effort to find the supplier, because in this market, very few of supplier can do this. So this is for the sealing plug. So the last one we'd like to share is about the tube element. So you can see here, only just some samples. So for this tube element, we can do many materials. stainless steel, Incoloy, and bandit. Yes, we can do bandit. But if you want 99% pure copper, sorry, we don't supply at this moment. Not sure in the future. And about this tube element, you may wonder why choose us, right? And the first one is we have very sufficient production capacity. So every year we can deliver about 10 billion units because we have focused in this tube element also for about 15 years. We also have ISO, yes, this certificate, quality management system and environment. So we are a reliable supplier. The next one is actually we have a very good and reliable quality control because let me take the bandit tube for example. So this is stainless steel. It's like the bandit tube because it had to be welded, right? For the inner inside, but I think we can't show you the welding line here. But inside it has to be welded. So what if the welding is not good, right? If it has some small cracks or is not 100% good welding, then it will cause the defeat quality problems such as the hypotext it will fail or it might cause some resistant quality issue, right? And to avoid this problem, we have the machine. We have invested on a very special machine. It's called eddy current flow detector. So every unit before outgoing, we will do this process to inspect by the X-ray, and so we have to make sure every unit is good weld. So we don't want more we don't want troubles. We have to guarantee 100% qualified is delivered to you. So about the more details such as about the length and about the price and about the diameter, thickness, and my colleague will give you more information in the coming representation and live stream. So please focus and follow with us, and we will give you more these details. In this live stream, we just give you a very brief information.
Yes, and just now we have shown you our samples and we have give you a simple introduction of all these spare parts and fittings for heating elements. And tomorrow we also is me and Jessia will introduce you about the NGO powder. Yes, and the next 2 days and our colleagues will also introduce you more details about the all these fittings for the heating elements.
Yes.
So keep following us and keep watching our live stream.
Yes, because these days we are doing the live stream for how to produce heaters. We have the equipment, yes, and we have all these raw materials. So if you are the manufacturer of heater, I'm strongly suggest you can review all these live stream. And each live stream is very short, about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Is very easy to learn and study about and know more about us.
And and you can leave your message or exchange your name card to us, and we will discuss further and we will share more information with you.
Yes. Last point is we have the website. You can visit our website. It's sunglow.com. You can see in the screen. We have many details and company profile instruction. Here you can know more about us, and we looking forward to your connection soon. Yes.
Yeah.
So,
So all this introduction is finished here, and thanks for your
for
watching.
watching.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.